Hey dude, car's ready, running. It's running really good, sounds really good. Everything is working properly. I haven't got no check engine light code so far. I do see a little bit of smoke, however, I'm not sure if it's because of the tune or the car's still burning stuff in the exhaust. Very quiet, runs really good. Only downside with the AC, this car takes the new Freon, the Y1234. Besides that, there's nothing else going on. Alright guys, we're gonna start up the Mustang here. That's why. Yeah, yours, because my buddy has 4.6 Extremes on his 19. Yeah, I'm turning on right now. Dang, no, dang. Yeah, I thought you had sports. So everything is plugged in, intake, okay. Everything is bored up. Yeah, no check engine light. That's good. Okay. It's walking a little bit, but I'm guessing it's still burning holes and just things around it. Yeah. But like I said, I had it. I mean, you can smell the. It's just like, yeah, I can smell it. Some of the. I'm not sure if it's exhaust, smoke. I don't know. I had to run here for about 30 minutes. And I had to get rid of it. But I guess it never get as hot as it does whenever you drive it. Yeah. Yeah, I got the door cover. I didn't remember the whole gap. Dang, guys. This is crazy. First startup on the Mustang. I guarantee you I'm going to stall this car out. I'm not even going to lie. I suck. I'm not perfect when it comes to driving stick yet, but listen to that idle. Yo! I can smell the E85 too. You can smell it.
15 minutes later.
Guys, this thing sounds insane. Oh my gosh. So I have to run with the windows down because we don't have any AC Freon in the car. Apparently, I guess it takes a newer AC. So I have to go and get some to recharge the system. But guys, this thing sounds phenomenal. The alignment, I don't know if you can tell, super messed up. It is leaning so hard to the left, so definitely have to get a wheel alignment done on the car. But right now we're just cruising. I'm cruising back home, and like, oh my gosh, this thing sounds just absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. Like, oh my god. Torque alone. Oh my gosh. This thing is so do y'all hear that? Oh, I know I sound like a little girl right now, but like, it's just, oh my gosh. Sounds so good. gonna be kind of a short little video. We'll kind of go more into detail now that I got the car back in my hands. We definitely need to get it fully detailed, washed, everything, whole 9 yards. So I'll go more into detail in another video, probably like sometime later this week. My goal right now is just to get home. I'm just beyond grateful and just happy. As some of y'all that have been following the channel for a while, this has been something that's just taken so long in order to do, and now that it's finally happened, like, I can't begin to tell y'all just like the emotions that I'm going through right now. I will actually give y'all a little under tunnel pass right now. It's gonna be a little third gear pull on. That is nice. That is nice. Alrighty guys, well, that's where I'm gonna end the video. If y'all enjoyed the video, the short little video, don't forget to like, share, comment down below. Like I said, I have a lot of things planned for this car. So first thing is first, I need to get the tires for the car. We're gonna get that later on. It's still gonna take me a little while to learn how to like get used to the clutch in this car, because it grabs all the way at the very tippy top, which I'm not a super fan of. It'll take a little time. I'll get the hang of it. So once I do, you know, I'll be driving this thing like I'm a pro. It's just gonna take some time. So aside from that, I will catch you on the next one, and remember to always keep shifting forward.
A few moments later.
So guys, I just got pulled over by the police. There they go. Oh my god, guys, literally I was coming, I'm picking the car up from my mechanic's place, right? And I see a cop, like I saw a cop just kind of chilling, and I was like, oh crap, like I didn't even notice him until I kind of looked up and I saw the little radar coming from his little thing, and I was just like, crap, he didn't pull out. Just my luck though, there was another cop that had pulled out of a little like a gas station or something, and immediately pulls behind me, or pulls out, and I was just like, shit, like I knew I'm gonna get pulled over. Sitting at a light, as soon as the lights turns green, they put on their lights, and I was like, yep, I already knew I was gonna get pulled over. So thankfully though, the guys were cool. They just gave me a warning. They did let me know. They were like, you know, you still could get pulled over by another cop and still get a ticket, just letting you know, FYI. So but no, they were really chill. So I'm going straight home right now. I'm starting to kind of get a hang of the clutch, you know, as you guys can see. So we're gonna get there. Funny enough, I'm gonna keep it quiet, the police station is literally right down here. So like the whole squad, everything right down there. So we're just gonna, and there goes another cop right there. So oh boy, hopefully that's not the same, that's the same cop, not a different one, because if so, he said I could get pulled over and get a ticket from a different cop. So hopefully not. Y'all pray for me, because I'm gonna need it. It might be a different cop, or maybe it's the same, not sure.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.